have help in my kitchen today. Great-granddaughter, KAYLEE, the sodium attacker. She watches my videos and then tells her mother how much sodium is in their food. We're going to make some lemon bars today. The big bowl has got 1 cube, half a cup of unsalted butter at room temperature. KAYLEE's going to put in 1 cup of flour, all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup confectioner's sugar, no sodium, half a teaspoon Hain Featherweight baking powder, Amazon or Healthy Heart Market. We're not using regular baking powder at 520 for 1 teaspoon. We got half a teaspoon in there. Now, KAYLEE's gonna mix this with our mixer. So you come over here. Perfect. Okay. We have crumbs in our bowl. 8" by 8" baking pan, and I like to use glass. It's lined with parchment paper, and I've got the little clips up here to hold it in place. We're just going to dump this in here, and then KAYLEE is going to flatten it down with their fingers until it's pretty even. Once she gets that done, she's going to take a fork and prick it round and round and round, just a little bit here, so that it doesn't rise. The oven is preheating to 350 degrees. We're going to bake this crust for 10 minutes. Very good. Subscribe to my channel for a brand new low sodium recipe every Friday. Click on Judy's online courses. I have a lot of low sodium cooking courses, a lot of recipes that you can download and print. If there is a course that you would like to take, leave me a comment and I will respond with a discounted price coupon. There's a 30-day money-back guarantee. You have nothing to lose and a whole low-sodium life ahead of you to gain. Our crust took about 12 minutes to cook. So we got a big bowl here. 2 eggs plus 1 yolk. 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of granulated sugar, a half a teaspoon of pure lemon extract, 3 tablespoons of fresh squeezed lemon juice, a half a teaspoon of Hain Featherweight baking powder, and then she's going to mix this until it's frothy, and then we'll take our spatula, scoop it out on top of our crust, put it back in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes until the custard is set.
Is it
Hmm?
good?
When the custard gets set in the oven, we'll cool this on a wire rack. When it gets to room temperature, take the whole pan, put it in the refrigerator until they're cold. And then we take the clips off, lift up the parchment paper, put it on the cutting board, then we'll cut our squares. dust them with a little powdered sugar. When you get ready to cut, take your knife and run it under some hot water for just a little while and dry it off real good. Then when you cut, you get clean squares. My oven took 15 minutes for the top to set nicely. This little dish is an 8 by 10. The only ingredient with any sodium per serving is the eggs. 2 eggs, 140, 1 yolk is 8. The whole pan, 148 milligrams of sodium. I got 20 pieces, just a little less than 8 milligrams each, and they are mighty tasty.